Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing and budgeting video. It's so good to be back with y'all. I hope y'all week has been good so far. I hope y'all been making some money to stuff, you know what I mean? Y'all health is good, y'all family good. If you got kids in school, I hope your kids is doing good. They ain't got kicked out of the class already. Shout out to that, y'all. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me tell y'all what I've been up to. So, we will be taking care of, yes, we will be taking care of Bardell today. That's my real estate company. You know, my property management company, their real estate agency also. We had a repair that needed to be done, and we also had a late fee for the rent, y'all, and I'm just getting to them on that, but the rent is paid, okay? So, we're going to be finishing that out, y'all. So then, since we're going to be finishing that out, we just have $174 life insurance and $563 rent for this week. So 563 plus 174. So that's 737. And I'm expecting my check to be at least 280. I do have a part-time job that I do a few days a week. And you know, it is what it is. It's some extra income and I'm grateful for it. Hey. So we'll have 457 to get from tomorrow to Sunday. You know, I hate I even got to do it on Sunday, y'all, because Sunday is technically the beginning of a next week. But since I'm really getting back on track and everything, Sunday it might be, honey, because I still got to work Thursday and Friday. And I'm going to do the best I can. So we going to see, you know what I mean? And then, like I said, rent ain't due until the 3rd, okay? So if we got to just roll over some to next week, I hope we don't. But I'm just saying, we're going to try to make it, though, okay, y'all? So that's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's 4 days. So we shall see, y'all. We shall see. But, okay, but at least we knocking these. Oh, and that's included, not just the rent. That's including my life insurance, too. Okay, so we're going to have to be putting that aside, okay? So we're going to work on that for the rest of the days. So, let's see what I've been up to. So, on Monday, I made $60 with DoorDash. I work Monday and Tuesday and Thursday. So, on Monday, we did $60. On Tuesday, it was a very tiring day for you, girl. So, I made $38, okay? I just did a little something and came on home. And today, I made $100. Okay, so that's why we gonna get that $145 money order, and I'm proud of that because now we can move on to the next thing. You know what I mean, which is life insurance and rent. Okay, y'all, and hopefully my goal is to go ahead and take care of that rent on time this month without that late fee, y'all, so I can go ahead and schedule my work checks to go straight to that. You know what I mean? Straight to my rent and then all my DoorDash money. That's my plan in my mind. That DoorDash money, I can just do that for like car note and stuff like that. Maybe, hopefully, it'll give me some time to maybe clean out my garage, go through all that shapewear I got, y'all. I got 4 bins of brand new shapewear and post it online. You know, I need to find time. That's what I'm working on too. That is a goal of mine, to make time for fitness and organization, y'all. Okay? So hopefully we can get on track, and next month will be a little better as far as my time goes, and me not playing catch up so late in the month on all these things. Like if my rent was being paid every week, then you know what I mean, I wouldn't be needing these 2 weeks. It can be split up less. So we trying to really just, you know what I mean, get on track for next month, God willing. Okay, y'all? All right, so let's count the money, y'all. So today we have 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 5, 10, 15, 20, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 160 today. And like I said, yay for me, we will be giving these people they 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and $45. 30, 40. And then $5. I'm gonna go get that money order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and get that money order tomorrow. Oh, I should have. Maybe I'll give it to Lorenzo. He gonna be going. Oh, I don't even know if we'll see. Maybe I can get the boy to do it. And we do have a couple of change, y'all. We can put in here in the change jar. Give y'all some ASMR. Some people like that sound, y'all, you know. Some people like the sound of money counting, change, honey. They like it. Okay, so let's see what we have. So we have 1, 2, we have $15 left. That's what we got. Y'all know it was 160. That was 140. Okay, we got $15 left. We ain't gonna do all that. And what are we gonna do with it? We are going to put it in our bills binder. You know, I'm really, at least it'll be going somewhere that got to do with a bill. That's okay. Hopefully this weekend we'll be able to stuff a little something, you know, for ourselves. Car insurance got 2. Okay, insurance, this is life. So we're gonna give that 2. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna give it 3, y'all. Yeah, and after the life insurance, I need to start paying into my medical so I can get that biopsy. Household gonna get 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna need some tissue and stuff, so I need to be putting some stuff in there. I'm gonna try to catch that $25 Dollar General sale. You know, with that $5 coupon, I got one of them. So we're gonna put for subscription $2. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in subscription. Wi-Fi will be getting $1. It's not my bill, but I'm trying to save. Now it has Wi-Fi, $3 in it. But I'm trying to save, y'all. And right now we're doing the best we can, right? Small amounts add up to big amounts. Water is not my bill, but I want to save a little bit for it. So now we putting $1 in there. We have $3 in water. Pets will be getting $2. 1, 2. Now pets have 5, 6, 7. Definitely need some pet stuff, honey. Supermarket will be getting $1. My boss and them gave me a for my birthday, they gave me a $50 Publix gift card. So I'm thinking I'm gonna save that for the holiday, for like Thanksgiving or something. I probably won't need it, but I'm thinking about saving it for something. I just don't want to go in there just, you know, spending it. I'm trying to hold it until I need something. You know what I mean? Like something like a holiday, or you know what I mean? Something. I just don't want to go swiping the card at Publix. Even though we shop at Aldi's and Publix, it's just that, I want to save it. I want to whip it out, you know, when we really, really need it for something. Might not even need it for a holiday, but hey, I'm just, you know. So, entertainment is going to get $1. And y'all know what? We're going to put this last lucky dollar in my $1 envelope. You know, she ain't got nothing. Oh, it is some dollars in here. What? Y'all know I'm just coming back. I ain't touching nothing. Okay, so we got $3, two. It got, oh, this little edgy dollar. Okay, so now she got 1, 2, 3. And hopefully, you know, we can keep it pushing with this. Yep. And that's what we saved today. We basically had $15 to ourselves, you guys. And that's what it is. You know what I mean? Because all that counts, okay? Don't let nobody tell you over there with some little money. That's the little money house. No, you the big money house today. I'm the big money house too. Okay, y'all? We claiming it. I'm sorry. Y'all know how I get when I get tired. I'm up here rambling. So I'm going to let y'all go. You know, shout out to some of my new subscribers. And I do want to start shouting out new subscribers' names. But I really don't know how to get to that list where it showed me, because right now my laptop broke. So right now I only have my phone, so I can't look at the you know, new subscribers and stuff like that on my phone. At least I don't know how. Okay, y'all. So, but shout out to y'all. I really appreciate y'all supporting me and liking me. So I'm gonna add, like I did last week, some more content creators for you guys to see. And I'm gonna go through my comments too. But some of y'all y'all got a YouTube, but it's like, I don't think y'all even care about subscribers because there's no content. And, you know, but I appreciate y'all for the support. So right now, I'm just going, until I can figure out how to shout out my new subscribers. If anybody know how to do it on the iPhone, please let me know so I can shout them out next video. But since I don't know how yet, y'all, we're going to just shout out some more content creators for y'all to check out. Well, at least on my list. You know, you might like them, you might not, but at least I offered you more content like this if you like it. Okay, y'all. See y'all on the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel grow.